Never in my wildest dreams did I think I'll be using raw okra on my hair. But guys, if you want a healthy, long, moisturized and shiny hair, you have to be ready to use crazy things like me. So guys, I bought this okra for just 200 naira at my local market, which was pretty fair to me. And today I'm going to be using the entire okra on my hair, because that okra jelly that we're going to get today gives instant shine and softness while also strengthening your hair. It is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K. It is rich in calcium, potassium. It is good for hair growth. It is good to moisturize dry scalp, and it also prevents dandruff. If this does not convince you guys, I don't know what will. So right now I'm chopping my okra into small bits, because this will help to actually get that gel that we are actually looking for. So you want to make sure you cut it into smaller bits, so that we can achieve our goal today. All done, and now it is time for us to proceed to the next step. Are you guys ready? In fact, my okra is looking so good. So now I have 2 cups of water in my pot, and I'll be adding my chopped okra into my pot of water. And we're going to be boiling this for 5 minutes. And the reason we're doing this is just to get the slime, but we also do not want to remove all the nutrients from the okra, because that's why, we're using it on our hair. So if you boil it more than that, it might actually lose that nutrients, and we can't have that. So while you're doing this, please do not cover the pot completely, because when it starts to boil, it may tend to pour out of the pot. So after 5 minutes, you have to leave it to cool down for 10 minutes, and then we'll proceed to the next step. I'm not even gonna lie, our okra was looking very, very sumptuous, and I actually wanted to eat it, but I had to control myself. Now I'm transferring it into my blender, and it is time for us to blend this okra into a paste. Now remember, I said you have to leave your okra to cool down. In this video, I left my okra to cool down for 5 minutes, which wasn't enough. So I just kept checking my blender from time to time. Like, I was checking the temperature of the blender, like, are you still okay? So I actually really, really recommend that you guys leave your okra to cool down for 10 minutes, and then you can proceed with the blending. So I'm going to blend my okra, as you can see, till it gives me that green color, until it looks like a paste. Yes, I'm checking the temperature of my blender right now, and as you can see, I later opened the lid of my blender because I saw that the blender was hot. After I was done, I poured it into a bowl, and it was giving me this green color that looks like Nickelodeon slimes. I don't know if you guys are Gen Z like me, but anytime they're doing Kids' Choice Award, they always pour slime on people, and it was actually giving me that type of vibe. Anyway, proceeding. This is how our okra paste looks like, but it is not yet ready because it's not sieved. And if we use it like this on our hair, it will cause harm to our hair. So now I have my leaf-shaped bowl, and I have my small sieve that I got from the market for just 500 naira. And now I'm pouring our green okra paste into my sieve, and I'm using my spoon to stir it. You can see I'm stirring it gently, and at the other end, it is extracting that gel that we are looking for. As I said before, if we had just used our okra paste like that without straining it, without sieving it, it would have caused dandruff, itching, and so many things on our hair. because a lot of particles would have been on our hair and to take a whole lot to remove that. So I actually recommend that you please watch till the end of this video so that you do not make any mistake on your hair. Some people might just watch only the preparing aspects, like blending it, and then they won't watch how exactly I will apply it on my hair. As we proceed, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to use it on my hair and then the results after. So please make sure you stick to the end of this video if you know you want to actually do this for your healthy and long hair. So after minutes of sieving, that was my okra gel, but we're not done. So I'm pulling up with this sieving cloth, but we properly call it pap cloth in Nigeria. And I got this for 1,200 naira at the market, so you can check your local store and see how much they sell it. And now I'm taking our sieved paste to sieve it some more with this cloth, because that sieve holes in it were kind of bigger than actually using this cloth to sieve it. So after pouring my paste inside of it, I started squeezing. And my inner child came alive, because doing this DIY, I love all these squishy stuffs. I love how I don't know, like if you are Gen Z, if I don't have to be Gen Z, millennial, whatever, if you like play the way I like play, you would actually enjoy this aspect. As you can see, this is our okra gel, healthy and ready to be used. So right now I'm pouring it into my mini bottle to make it easy for when I want to apply it, and it actually looks like something I want to sell. Like, I beg, you should tell me if you want to buy it. Let me start business, because you guys know I'm an entrepreneur, like big time. Look at how good it looks, and I love the color. Anyway, guys, it is time for us to get to business. Yes, it's time for us to get to business. My hair is in desperate need of some hair treatment, guys. So right now, if you're new here, what I'm about to do is section my hair into 4 different parts. Now, while sectioning, if your hair is kind of small, like if your hair is not as full as mine, you can section it into 2. I love sectioning my hair because that's what works for me. That's why I section it into 4. If your hair is very full, then you can section your hair into 8. You understand? So while sectioning it, I just do like a little twist so that it is just very easy for me to, lose it while applying my gel to it. Sectioning my hair actually helps me to get the gel in particular places. Like, imagine if I just wanted to start pouring the gel on my hair like that, it might not get into it the way I want to. So this just actually helps, so I know, okay, I'm doing the front right or the front left or whatever. Now I look like all these Africa magic girlies. So right now, let's get straight to business. So first things first, time for us to apply our okra gel to the hair. And guys, like, I'm not even capping, but as soon as I started applying it to my hair, I immediately noticed that I could detangle it. As you can see, I'm applying it to not only the hair strands but also to the roots, because if you want your hair to grow, it's going to grow from the roots. So while applying all these hair gels, make sure you apply it to the roots. And as you can see, I was surprised. I was surprised because my hands were just running through my hair, and guys, immediately I could feel the moisture and the hydration. So you guys remember that during my birthday vlogs, if you have been keeping up with me, I complained about how sensitive my scalp has gotten because I recently did this crochet dreadlocks. I was actually dreading detangling my hair, but guys, this Okra hair mask made it so easy. Like, I could immediately feel my hands just running through my hair, and there was no frizz, less breakage. Guys, it was even defining my natural curls. So now I'm using my detangling brush to detangle my hair. And if you want yours, please check the description or the comments for the link to order yours at no extra cost, but I'll be getting a commission from it because this actually helps your hair. And if you're a natural hair girly and you don't have this detangling brush, you've not even started. So if you want yours, say it in the comment section. Now guys, I'm focusing on the back of my hair because there's no way the back of my hair will not get something. A lot of us actually miss this aspect when we are treating our natural hair because we give all this love to the front of our hair, whereas the back of our hair is stunted and it is not growing. So that's why I always tell my natural hair girlies that anytime you are doing this hair mask on your hair, please make sure you also care for the back of your hair. So as you can see, I was very generous with this our okra gel. I was putting it like as if it finishes, I will go and make another one. I mean, it is very budget friendly. So guys, don't forget to massage it to your roots, and don't forget to run your hands, through it. Can you guys see my curls? Can you see my natural curls coming out? Anyway, don't forget to actually detangle your hair. As you can see, there was literally less breakage, And before, when I used to detangle my hair, I used to have lots of breakage. But this okra gel just made it so easy. I was actually feeling the look. I was enjoying it. It was even making me feel like, God, should I even dye my hair green? Because I was liking the color. Anyway, we're done with the other side. Now it's time for us to move. Can you guys now see the importance and the advantage of actually putting your hair in sections? I know I tried doing my my treatment and I didn't put it in sections at the beginning of when I started my natural hair journey, and it was very hard for me. But this sectioning part actually just makes it very fast and very easy and very precise. So I actually encourage you guys to please put your hair in sections and try as much as you can to love your hair. So as you can see, I'm very gentle with my hair. I'm rubbing it out all over my roots, the strands, wherever. I'm making sure everywhere gets this treatment. And when you're actually detangling your hair with your brush, as you can see, I'm very gentle with it. So make sure, even if you're using your comb or whatever you're using, please make sure you are gentle with your hair and you are not tugging it. Did I even forget to mention that my hair was immediately soft? The moment I put this on my hair was immediately soft. So in case if your hair is always dry or your hair is very strong, because I've gotten lots of people tell me that anytime they want to go natural, their hair is stubborn, and they will say no, the reason you are natural is because your hair is naturally soft. My hair is not naturally soft. It is because of all this, my hair mask, my moisturizing method, oiling method, protective style method, that my hair actually, like, you will force the hair. If the hair doesn't want to grow or doesn't want to be healthy, you will force it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are done with applying this our okra gel. I still had some left, so I just decided to rub it. Like, this was my massaging time. I decided to massage everything into my scalp. My goal was to finish that bottle, and you can also preserve it. So just in case if you do not want to finish the entire thing, you can preserve it for up to 2 weeks. If you want to preserve it for more, you can put like a preservatives in it. They sell it in the market. But if you want to preserve it this natural, just put it in your fridge for 2 weeks and it is still okay. But I actually recommend that after 2 weeks, if you do not use it, please throw it away. Don't still use it on your hair, because you want to use natural things on your hair, and there are microorganisms, there are bacteria inside your fridge that might enter it, and yes, it will not just cause something else for you. So after 2 weeks, if you do not use it, it's in your fridge, please throw it away. Ladies and gentlemen, I felt cute, so I decided to do Snapchat, and I wanted you guys to see how green my hair looked. And guys, my curls were actually very, very juicy. Although in this video I wasn't actually planning on defining my curls, I just wanted to show you guys how to detangle and do your hair masks and moisturize. So right now I'm using this black nylon to wrap the hair, because black actually absorbs heat, and I'm going to be leaving it on my hair for an hour. After I was done with this is my hair all washed and all moisturized. I washed with a shampoo and a conditioner, and then I moisturized. You guys tell me in the comment section if you want a separate video on how to moisturize your hair. And this was how I slept, because sometimes after moisturizing your hair, if you just sleep like that without wearing this your hair bonnet, it might just end up coming out on your pillow and all not, and all your moisturizing cream and whatnot, everything will just enter your pillow, and we can't have that. Anyway, y'all, I'll see you on my next YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to turn on your post notification, and I love you guys so much. Mwah.